Some big breaking news which is coming in. All of this in the midst of the executive versus judiciary row that we have seen. Now, here are some curious comments, we can call it that, made by the Apex Court that we are reporting upon while commenting on a plea which was filed by advocate Vishnu Shankar Jain about imposing precedence rule in Bengal in view of the violence which has happened. The Supreme Court has said that it's already facing allegations of encroaching upon the executive sphere. Well, this is very interesting. Let me go across to our legal editor, Harish Nair, who's joining us. Very curious remarks which have been made by the Supreme Court. Can you tell us the larger context of it?
Yes, that's right, Meghna. Very big, very significant remarks made by the Supreme Court at a time when the executive versus the judiciary war is raging, especially as far as the Supreme, after the Central raked up the NJC issue, also the manner in which the Supreme Court had set a deadline for the President to give assent to bills, and also the way Supreme Court had forced the government to keep on hold several crucial clauses in the Works Amendment Act. So today, when the matter came up, when Advocate Vishnu Shankar Jain mentioned this petition seeking a direction from Supreme Court to the central government to impose precedence rule in the state of West Bengal, the Justice BR Gavai, who will be the next Chief Justice of India, snapped back asking whether do you expect us to issue a mandamus to the President to impose precedence rule in West Bengal. As it is, already we are facing allegation of encroaching into the sphere of the executive and legislature. So please don't refrain from making such prayers. But anyways, this Vishnu Jain's petition has been listed for hearing tomorrow. He only had sought permission to place additional facts on record. But as of now, his petition is listed tomorrow. The hearing will continue tomorrow. But Supreme Court has made very strong remarks at a time when the executive versus judiciary war is raging over encroaching the allegation from the government. Several leaders like even Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar and senior BJP MP Nishikant Dubey, who had even went on to very controversially say that Supreme Court will be responsible for synagogues in the country, and also if the Supreme Court start making laws, very well the Parliament can shut down. Back to you.
Well, it's very interesting. You're absolutely right, Harit. It is coming at a time when you have none other than Vice President Dhankar. You also have Union Minister Nishikant Dubey making certain statements about overreach of the judiciary, that the Supreme Court today says we are already been accused of overreach and entering into the realm of the executive. In fact, we'll keep tracking this story. Thank you so much, Harish, for joining us. But let's give our viewers a bit of a context.